It's Walter Martin back, helping you find some of the best sales and deals on used cars in your particular area. And I've been going throughout Nebraska, and today we're going to go into Scottsbluff. So go to google.com and type in Craigslist Scottsbluff, Nebraska, and hit enter. And the first website you're going to see is scottsbluff.craigslist.org. Go ahead and click there. And this will take you to the generic page. I'll go ahead and tell you, if you don't find what you're looking for in Scottsbluff or Panhandle, you can go to the nearby Craigslist and search over there for options, and most of these are within a few hundred miles, so they're within driving distance. If you know the make and model of your vehicle, you can search Craigslist over here for like a 2006 Ford Taurus or whatever you're looking for. Go to the for sale section and click on cars and trucks, and then go to buy owner only, and you'll quickly see that there are some very good prices here. Note that this Craigslist is not super active. There's only $100. So here's an ad that I'll point out many things that you need to look for. First of all, $850 for a Pontiac Bonneville here. First things first, if anything's under $2,000, you need to make sure to read the entire ad and make sure the vehicle runs. Also, make sure there's nothing that could hinder the ability of the vehicle. Like this one says it has hail damage and the AC has a leak, so the AC does not work. It's a pretty hot summer right now. That might be something that's necessary for people. So you may want to read up on that or contact the seller and see what's up. Also, some people will put OBO, which means or best offer. A lot of times, if sellers do not get a ton of interest at the current price, they will be willing to take a lower offer just because they want to get rid of the vehicle. And I'm certain if you look over a few vehicles, you'll see some that say OBO. Here's one right here that says OBO. And once again, $1,500. There's not much in this classified ad, so you might want to call and ask a few questions and make sure the vehicle is actually running. But to find a running vehicle under $1,500, this is going to be quite difficult if you drive around to used car dealerships. So here's another one, hail damage, that has an issue. It has some scratches on it, obviously. Most vehicles you find are going to have cosmetic damage no matter what. It's going to be really hard to find a vehicle that doesn't have cosmetic damage for sale on Craigslist, so this might be something that is just accepted. So these are just a few tips and tricks I like to use to find used cars on Craigslist for sale by owner. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below, and please like the video on YouTube if you find it helpful.